Hi guys, welcome to my Chinese language channel. I'm Miss K. Hope all of you have a great day. Today we are going to learn some common words, talk about Chinese best cities. Let's start it. 中国最佳城市，中国最佳城市。Chinese best city. 北京，北京 ，Beijing。上海，上海 ，Shanghai。桂林，桂林，归林。西安，西安，西安。苏州，苏州，苏州。杭州，杭州，杭州。Can you get it, guys? Stay tuned my videos to the end. I show you some words how to write and we have pronunciation quiz. Hi guys, now I'm show you some words how to write about these best cities in Chinese. Let's start it. 北京，北京 Beijing。 上海，上海 Shanghai。 桂林，桂林，归林。西安，西安，西岸。苏州，苏州。杭州，杭州 Hangzhou. Can you get it, guys? Now we have pronunciation practicing. So I'll say one of the pronunciation and you help me complete the whole word and speak after me, speak loudly. Let's start it. 北，北。上，上。安，安。州，州。中国最佳，中国最佳。Well done, guys. You do a really good job. Please practice every day. More practice, more perfect in Chinese. If you like these videos, please leave your comment to me, like, subscribe, and share my videos to your friends who also want to learn Chinese in an easy and fast way. I'll see you tomorrow.